kids. Unicorns are beautiful magical creatures with a single horn on their forehead. Their horns are sparkly and colorful, and they shine brightly in the sunlight. Unicorns have soft, fluffy manes and tails that are soft and silky to the touch. They are kind and gentle, and they love to prance and dance in the meadows and forests. Unicorns live in a magical land filled with rainbows, flowers, and sparkling streams. They spend their days playing with the fairies, chasing after butterflies, and making new friends. At night, they sleep under the stars, dreaming of all the magical adventures they will have tomorrow. Unicorns are truly special creatures, and they bring joy and magic to everyone around them.